Hi everybody, I'm Megan. I'm the community health nurse at Splatsin Health Center. I just want to start this video by saying thank you to everybody who continues to do their part to protect our community from COVID-19. We know it's been a tough transition into fall, and there's been lots of things that have happened that we weren't necessarily anticipating at this time of the year and this far into the pandemic, and so it's definitely been hard, I know, on community and definitely on us as well. And so we're just here to talk today about where we're at with COVID within our community and as a province as a whole. As we know and as we've said many times before, the vaccine is the best defense that we have against protecting ourselves and all our loved ones against COVID-19. And when it's prepared with the preventative measures that we've been doing all along, such as the physical distancing and sanitizing and keeping our circles small, that's when it really works best. What we know right now is out of everyone in hospital with COVID-19, over 90% of people are unvaccinated. And that trend rings true too with just the cases that we're seeing in general. Unfortunately, in our area, we have a very low vaccination rate as a whole in Enderby, and so that will continue to affect our ability to avoid COVID throughout this fall season and winter season and in general, and so it definitely plays a role in where we're at. As you know, there have been some community members who have contracted COVID-19 in the recent months, and we will continue to see cases of COVID as long as COVID is circulating in community. And I'm just here to remind you that the best way to protect yourself and the people that you love is to get vaccinated. And we continue to offer the vaccine. We continue to offer education about the vaccine for anyone who needs it. And we also continue to offer supports for people who need to isolate due to COVID-19. So please contact the health center if any of those things come up. I also want to touch on the BC vaccine card because we've been getting lots of calls about that. And basically for that, that is used to access non-essential services such as restaurants and sports venues and flights, more things like that. And we don't know how long that's going to go on for, but it is different than the proof that you get from me when you get your vaccine. It's a different program. And so the people who've received both their vaccines or even one of their vaccines can get this card, and the date, basically you just need the date that you received your vaccine, your healthcare number, and your birthday. And you can register for the BC vaccine card on the address that's on the screen right now. As well, if you do not have access to the internet, you can always call 1-833-838-2323 to receive a copy in the mail. If you have any questions or having difficulties printing the vaccine card, we can also help you with that here at the health center. Thank you again for listening and for doing your part, and call us if anything comes up. Thank you.